Hey guys, I'm out here in the driveway again, and it's actually starting to get cold out here. They're predicting snow here in basically a day or two, so um, it'll be interesting. Um, but I wanted to do something today. I went through and um, I was having a rattle in my rear seat area, and I wanted to kind of give you guys an idea of how I located it, and then also how to fix it. Okay, and one of them is very common. Like, actually, both of them are common when you get down to it. And I'm going to take you over to the truck, and it was in the rear seat because I kept hearing a rattling noise in the back seat, and I tried to record it as I was driving along, but it didn't record real well. So I'm just going to go in there, and I'm going to tell you what I did, and show you how I fixed it. Okay, so let's go to the truck. So what I did was, before I went anywhere, I emptied everything out of the seat area, so I had everything fresh. You know, nothing in the underneath in the storage area to sit there and rattle and cause a problem with me. So that's how I started. I emptied both sides and did it that way and drove around. One of the things that I came up with, and going back in here, I was checking all the stuff for the jack and that, and the jack was all the handle and all that stuff was held pretty good. This is the pigtail for doing the power auxiliary buttons, and this right here. Let me do that. Let me fix it. That's the noise I kept hearing. It's maybe not that bad. All I have to do is twist this, and it extends the there we go. Extends the jack out, and now it's held securely in there, and it doesn't make any noise. So that's one of the noises that I was hearing. So the jack actually mounts in here. There's a clip on one side and a little catch on the other side, and you put it in there, you extend it out, and it's held solidly, so it doesn't make any noise. The other one, and I'm going to show it here also, is this seat belt. This little thing here, when it's loose, rattles. So on mine, I actually do the whole thing. I think in the manual they show you that you just clip it in like that, but I'm actually putting the whole thing in there, and that's how I do it. Okay, so now no rattling or anything else like that. A very common rattle with the Tacomas. People just forget to put them back and they start rattling. I'll show you how to store away the center seat belt, because somebody had used mine and left it pulled out and that, and I thought maybe that was what was making the rattling noise, but it wasn't. Okay, I'm on the other side. A little tab here for pulling forward. Okay, and this is the center seat belt. It comes across the seat, and you can clip it in. Let me get this back in position here. Let me get this opened up again. To store that away, there's actually a couple things you can do, and I'm going to suggest doing it. You saw that little one go in there first, and it goes all the way towards the rear of the truck, and then there's a second one, and that goes in there. And if you don't store those away, those can rattle around too. So that's just my public service announcement for this week. Rattles are kind of crazy, and it can drive you nuts, But that's just part of the game. All right, until next time, guys, take care.